Hello everyone, welcome to PJ Chemistry channel. Today's video, it is 17th video from 13 onwards, 13, 14, 15, 16, now continuation, 10th class videos going on. So you can watch from 13th onwards, those who want 10th class, you can watch from 13th video onwards. It is 17th video. Yes, today we are going to discuss types of reactions. There are mainly four types of reactions: chemical combination reaction, chemical combination reaction, chemical displacement reaction, before that chemical decomposition reaction, chemical decomposition reaction. Third one, chemical displacement reaction, or one more name, chemical single displacement reaction also. Single displacement reaction. Next, fourth one, chemical double displacement reaction. Chemical double displacement reaction. Chemical double displacement reaction, or chemical double decomposition reaction. Chemical double decomposition reaction. Like this, there are four types of reaction. These four types of reactions we are going to discuss in four videos. Today, 17th video, we are going to discuss chemical combination reaction complete information. Yes, chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction means when two or more elements or compounds, that may be elements or compounds or element compounds. Okay, when two or more elements or compounds combine to form single product are called chemical combination reaction. Okay, two or more elements or compounds two or more elements or compounds combine to form combine to form single product. Single product. When two or more elements or compounds combine to form single product are called combination reaction. Or another way, definitions they will give different ways. As per your textbook definition, you follow. When two substances combine to form single substance, like that also you can say substances means that may be elements or compounds. Combine to form single product means single substance. Like that also you can write. Next, examples for combination reaction. Here, students, while discussion, I am going to give examples for combination reaction as well as that example related to another type of reaction. That may be exothermic or endothermic. That is also I will write in the bracket. So whenever they ask questions, the particular equation belongs to another type of reaction. Which one means you can able to identify easily. You can able to give answer easily. For example, here, when magnesium burn in the presence of oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So, magnesium, while burning in the presence of oxygen, like a crackers while burning, how it will release dazzling bright light. Same way, while magnesium burning in the presence of oxygen, it liberates dazzling bright light. Okay, so this example also belongs to exothermic as well as combination. See here combination, magnesium as an element, oxygen also element. Two elements combine to form single product, magnesium oxide. Like that, this can be taken as a exothermic reaction as well as combination reaction. Balance it. While balancing, just see here, two sides if you observe, product side single substance. Whenever single substance is there, first you multiply that with 2. Multiply. Now, after multiplying, you balance the remaining. Two magnesiums are there after multiplying, but here only one magnesium, so multiply with 2. Two oxygens are there, the product side, the reactant side also 2 are there balanced. So, this example, combination reaction as well as exothermic reaction. Next, carbon burn in the presence of oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, CO2. It is also exothermic reaction. Here also carbon is an element, oxygen is an element, combined to form carbon dioxide. If you take compounds, magnesium oxide formed here compound, that magnesium oxide will dissolve in water. It forms a white color solution which is called magnesium hydroxide, a single product. So here MgO is a compound, magnesium oxide is a compound, water is a compound. Two compounds combine to form single product, MgO. Okay, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice formed. Now This one, another name is milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. MgOH twice. Magnesium hydroxide. General name is milk of magnesia. Yes. Calcium plus oxygen, it forms calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Can you balance it? Yes. Calcium 1, calcium 1. But oxygen here 2, here only 1. First multiply calcium oxide with the 2. Now easy to balance. So here two elements combine to form single product. It is also exo. Combination as well as exothermic reaction. Now this another name of CaO, calcium oxide, another name is quicklime. Quicklime. Calcium oxide, another name is quicklime. Now this calcium oxide, quicklime, added to the water. It gives quicklime when we add it to the water. It gives calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. CaO plus H2O. 1 calcium, 1 calcium. Hydrogens 2, oxygens 2. So OH twice. Calcium hydroxide. It is also exothermic. What are the names, different names of calcium hydroxide? Here, general names are very, very important. They will ask with the general names only. Calcium hydroxide, another name is slaked lime. Slaked lime. Slaked lime. In hot condition, we used to call slaked lime. After getting cool, we used to call lime water. Lime water. Lime water. After getting cool. Okay. These are the different names of calcium hydroxide. Next, these are examples for combination reactions. Any they will ask. And you don't feel this is just example, they will create like a 5 marks question. Okay, don't neglect any example. Every example should practice. Now see here, zinc burn in the presence of oxygen, it forms ZnO. Exo. Next, copper burn in the presence of oxygen, it forms cupric oxide, CuO. The color of CuO is black in color. Generally, Copper is in reddish brown color. When it gets burned after forming new substance, it turns into black. Now, NH3 ammonia is a gas plus HCl gas. When these both are combining, it forms NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, solid state. So it is also exothermic reaction. Next, nitrogen with hydrogen in Haber process, it forms ammonia. Nitrogen react with hydrogen, it forms ammonia. Balance it, just multiply with 2, reactor product side only single. Now 2 nitrogens, 2 nitrogens, 2 into 3, 6 hydrogens are there, but here only 2 are there, so 3 into 2. It is also exothermic reaction. Next, before this, we'll go through the iron react with oxygen, which contains moisture. It forms rust like Fe2O3. To balance, multiply 2 into 2, 4 irons, 4 into 1, 4 irons, 2 3 just 6, 6 oxygens, 3 to the 6 oxygens. Okay, this is also combination reaction. So you observe any combination example, whatever we discussed now, reactant side 2 or more, but product side single substance. That reactant side 2 or more elements or compounds, but product side single substance is forming. That is the combination reaction. Next, one more example. Nitrogen plus oxygen. It forms nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen plus oxygen, it forms nitrogen oxide. It is endothermic process. Now, for example, salt, exothermic we discussed. This is endothermic. It is combination as well as endothermic reaction. Yes, observe children. Uh, I said no, just that may taking as an example to you means it is very any example you should think like a that is 5 marks question only. You should practice. If you take a simple example, neglect like that means you will be in very dangerous, especially in 10th class. See here how they designed from one example I created this question. NX is a compound. This is like a 5 marks question. Just example only I created. NX is a compound which is used in fertilizers. Okay, X is a compound which is used in fertilizers. They will give hint like this. React with the compound Y. That X react with the compound Y. Compound Y, which will be act as a strong acid in water. Means when we add it to the water, that will act as a strong acid and forms Z that has sublimation property. So through this hint, we need to find out what is X, what is Y, what is Z. 3 marks. Find out just X, Y, Z, 3 marks. And then one more sub question, write balanced chemical equation based on X, Y, Z, whatever products you are getting, write that balanced equation. After writing balanced equation, find out the type of reaction. Among this for which type of reaction as per this data. Okay. Now start to write the answers. See here, X is a compound. Our hint what they given, which is used in fertilizer. React with compound Y. Compound Y which will act as a strong acid in water. Means in aqueous medium it will act as a strong acid. And forms that has sublimation property. X is a compound which is used in fertilizers, means ammonia, NH3. So here X is NH3, ammonia. Next, Y. Sublimation property means ammonium chloride. To form ammonium chloride, ammonia and HCl gas both are reacting. So Y which will act as a strong acid means HCl only when we add it to the water, we have only 3 strong acids: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. In these 3, sublimation property means ammonium chloride, one idea. So chlorine we should get means from HCl only. So to overcome that, this all we are taking HCl. Now these both are combined. The Z is NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. Like this, whatever they ask like this data questions, they will give hint also. You should catch that hint. Now write the balanced chemical equation. X is NH3 plus HCl is to NH4Cl. So which is having sublimation nature here? Ammonium chloride, directly converting into gaseous state, solid to gas. Now name the type of reaction. 2 compounds combine to form single product. So this reaction is combination reaction, chemical combination reaction. Like these questions, they will create and they will ask. So don't follow like a 9th class by hurting way, go through subject knowledge. Thank you, children.